Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550 4MATIC. This one's a magnetite black. Underneath it's a 4.7 V8 bi-turbo with 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with a sports package with a sports exterior and interior, 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, front and rear LED daytime running lights, black Napa leather interior with a burl walnut wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, S550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, driver assistance package with active blind spot assist, active lane assist, Distronic Plus with steering assist, Premium 1 package with Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, memory seats, illuminated door sill, burl walnut and leather steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, dual clamp controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, hard keys for the media display. This S-Class has 67,020 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.